Hey, Wills, let's go over and break down Tesla based on today's price action to see where it's going for the next few days. So with Tesla, guys, let's review here. Um, so I do have us either bottoming right now, guys, right, for all of a wave two, and we've bottomed and we're ready to go for a relief rally across the mags, or we have one more down, guys, for Tesla here. Okay, one more down. The reason why I like one more down is because that on the daily time frame here, it looks like we have a wave three that went down, wave four getting put in right now, and then one more wave five would give us that beautiful bullish divergence that I'm looking for on the daily time frame, right, where the indicators are going up, right, and then the price, it's going down. So that's exactly what I want to see across Tesla here. Okay, so I'm hoping for one more down. I'm not sure if we're going to get it. If you take a look as well on the daily MACD, right, typically at the bottoms, we like to see the first cross, okay, then a negative cross, then another cross positive like this, another bullish divergence as well on the MACD. So we did get that first cross, but typically I like to see double crosses at the bottom here. So hoping that Tesla does one more cross on the MACD, as well as bullish divergence across the RSI indicator. Okay, so that'll give us that beautiful one more flush down that I'm looking for. Now, what am I going to do? Well, there's a few things, okay? There's a few things. One is if I do expect to go down, if you're a long-term investor or a swing trader, you could start going in around 209, have some orders layered in tranches here, right? With a stop loss underneath 143, 150. Okay, so this is sort of your setup for a swing trade. You're good. All right, it makes sense. And I do have Tesla going up to 520 bucks into the future, right? So I'm on the monthly time frame here, right? So if I sort of project this out in terms of my targets based on fibs, let's say today's price was the bottom. Okay, if today's price was the bottom, I have 560 up to 773 as the main target, right? And if we do go a little bit lower, let's say down here, same thing, about 513 up to 720 bucks for the future. Okay, and people are going to ask what time frame is that? Well, let's take a look. Let's go from the bottom of the last pivot up to the swing high, right, of the last impulse. So that's about 882 days, guys. So let's say we bottom like around April, okay? So if we bottom around April, the start of April, that leaves us to October 2027, guys. Okay, it's March 2025 right now. So about 2.5, 3 years, you can expect to possibly get to anywhere around those levels, guys. 2.5 to 3 years, okay? So hopefully in 3 years' time, we get to 726. That'd be amazing, right? So that's sort of what I'm looking at, guys. And basically, that is about a 300% gain. So 100% per year, that's not bad, guys, in 3 years. Okay, that's really good, right? So 200% to 300% in 3 years. Not too bad. Okay. So exactly what I'm looking for. So let's see. I do expect a little bit more downwards pressure on Tesla. But again, we could still be we could be bottoming here as long as this slow holds, right? We're making a higher low so far. We're making a higher low so far. And if Tesla can sort of push out and make a higher high like this, right? We have a chance for Tesla to make 5 waves in and this being the bottom, okay? So let's see. Let's see. I would love for one more wave down, but if this is the bottom, so be it, right? That's amazing. We can sort of buy the dips on the uptrend moving forward, okay? Talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your night, and happy Friday coming up.